Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two Braun electric shavers. In the left corner, we have the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement, and in the right corner, we have the Braun Series 770-20's Flex electric razor. Let's dive in and find out which one will give you the smoothest shave. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement comes in at a very affordable $48. On the other hand, the Braun Series 770-20's Flex electric razor will set you back $129. Ouch! Looks like the 70's electric shaver head replacement wins this round for being budget-friendly. The 70's electric shaver head replacement boasts peak performance, recommending a replacement every 18 months to maintain that perfect shave. With over 6 million hairs cut over 18 months, it gradually reduces cutting performance. On the flip side, the 70-20's Flex electric razor features AutoSense technology that adapts power to beard density, ensuring a smooth shave even on dense beards. Looks like the Flex electric razor takes the lead in performance. The 70's electric shaver head replacement offers a simple replacement process with a click-on mechanism. It's like giving your shaver a fresh start. Meanwhile, the 70-20's Flex electric razor comes with a Li-ion battery that lasts up to 3 weeks of shaving and even has a 5-minute quick charge for one full shave. Plus, it's 100% waterproof for both wet and dry use. And let's not forget the precision trimmer attachment that comes included. Looks like the Flex electric razor is loaded with features. The 70's electric shaver head replacement proudly boasts 100% German craftsmanship. It's like having a precision instrument in your hands. On the other hand, the 70-20's Flex electric razor doesn't mention its country of origin. Seems like a mystery. But based on our experience, Braun never disappoints when it comes to quality. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement is highly recommended for its superior shaving performance and quality compared to generic replacements. On the other hand, the Braun Series 770-20's Flex electric razor is praised for its comfortable and close shave, especially for individuals with minimal facial hair growth. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement and the Braun Series 770-20's Flex electric razor. While the 70's electric shaver head replacement wins in terms of price, the Flex electric razor takes the lead in performance, features, and the mysterious quality department. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison helps you make a smarter buying decision. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay sharp and buy smart.